Hey entrepreneurs, the economy might be rocky, but don't worry. Today, I'm giving you 15 recession-proof business ideas that'll keep your cash flow steady no matter what. Whether you're looking to start fresh or expand your hustle, these ideas will help you thrive. Let's jump in. Number 1 on our list, healthcare services. Medical clinics, home care for seniors, and pharmacies keep operating no matter what's going on with the economy. People will always need medical care. Plus, telemedicine is booming. Remote consultations are all the rage. Start a healthcare service and you'll never run out of customers or patients. Number 2. Grocery and food retail. Whether it's a full-service supermarket, a small convenience store, or even an online grocery delivery service, people always need food. You could even go the discount route and be the hero of bargain shoppers. Food shortages? Not on your watch. Number 3. Repair and maintenance services. In tough times, people don't buy new. They fix what they've got. From auto repair shops to home appliance fixing, if it's broken, you'll be the hero who saves the day. Remember, why buy new when you can fix it and save some dough? Segment 4. Cleaning services. Keep it clean, keep it green. Cleaning services. Germs don't care about recessions, and neither should you. People want their homes and businesses sparkling clean, especially now. Whether it's residential cleaning or office sanitization, you'll stay busy scrubbing away. Sanitize and monetize, my friends. Segment 5. Accounting and financial services. Counting those coins. Accounting and financial services. People still need their taxes done, finances managed, and debts consolidated, even in a downturn. And hey, who doesn't need help managing their money better during a recession? Help people with their finances, and they'll help you with yours. Segment 6. Childcare and elder care services. Caring never stops. Childcare and elder care services. Families need childcare to keep working, and seniors still need daily care. This essential service is a great business for those who love helping others. Let's just say, care equals cash flow. Segment 7. Funeral services. One of life's certainties. Though it's not a cheerful topic, funerals are one of life's certainties. Funeral homes, cremation services, and grief counseling are needed regardless of economic conditions. It's about providing comfort when people need it most, and it's a stable business. Segment 8. Utilities and essential home services. Can't live without them. Plumbing, electricians, HVAC maintenance, these services are vital. Nobody's going to put up with a broken toilet or no heating during a recession. Be the hero with a tool belt. Looks like my next business venture's gonna be finding a good plumber. Segment 9. Pet care services. People love their pets. Pet owners aren't skimping on their fur babies. Whether it's vet care, grooming, or pet sitting, these services are always in demand. Take care of the pets, and their owners will take care of your business. Number 10. Education and tutoring services. Even in recessions, education is a priority. Whether it's tutoring for kids, online education, or test prep, helping people learn new skills or ace that exam is always a smart business. Because who doesn't need a little extra homework help? Even I do sometimes. Number 11. Digital and IT services. With businesses going online more than ever, IT support, software development, and cybersecurity are gold mines. Hackers don't take recessions off, so neither should you. Better leave the tech stuff to the experts. Number 12. Legal services. Divorces, bankruptcies, estate planning. Legal issues don't wait for a better economy. Lawyers stay busy, and you can too. Because when life gets complicated, your legal business stays booming. Segment 13. Discount retail and thrift stores. Bargain hunters unite. Discount retail and thrift stores. People love a good bargain, especially during a recession. Whether it's a dollar store or a consignment shop, you'll always find customers hunting for deals. Find the treasure in someone else's trash. Segment 14. Auto maintenance and parts, keeping cars running. Auto maintenance and parts. When times get tough, people stick with their cars longer. Auto parts stores, tire shops, and routine maintenance services like oil changes are crucial for keeping those wheels turning. Why buy a new car when you can just keep this baby running like new? Segment 15. Delivery and courier services, bringing the world to your doorstep. Last but not least, delivery and courier services. More people are staying home and businesses need reliable delivery. Whether it's food, groceries, or e-commerce packages, the delivery business is booming, delivering happiness one package at a time. And there you have it. 15 recession-proof businesses you can start to keep your cash flowing strong, no matter what the economy throws your way. From healthcare to delivery services, these businesses thrive when times are tough, and so can you. Which business idea are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another money-making tip. Stay awesome, stay recession-proof, and I'll see you in the next video.